করে দিয়ে দেবো
Assalamu
ইনশাআল্লাহ।
alaikum everyone. I hope you are well and I'm fine by the grace of Allah. And many thanks to those who watch my video home and abroad. And thank you very much for watching my video for uh, molasses of date. So today I'm going to show you how to make molasses of date. And you can see this is farmer. He has chopped the molasses rush and date of juice, and at the time already we are making molasses of date, and this molasses very nice and 100% pure already we are making now. And if you want to buy, so please call me under the number, and then I will give you inshallah. And I hope if you want to this molasses, so first of all you have to pay money. After that, I will give you this pure molasses. So please, if you like this video, subscribe, share, and comment. So bye, Allah, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.